This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. Testprepadda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties, free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad, etc. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Dear students, this session of sets I will start with the discussion of equality of sets. When do we say two sets as equal sets? Consider two sets A and B, set A and set B. Now, if each element of this set A, is also an element of set B, and each element of this set B is also an element of set A. Got the idea? Each element of set A is also an element of set B, and each element of set B is also an element of set A. Then the two sets are called equal sets, and this is represented as A is equal to B. For example, if I take A as set A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and second set B as 2, 4, 3, 5, 1. Now if you check all the elements of the two sets, you can find every element of set A is there in set B. Similarly, each element of set B is also there in set A. So, both the sets have same elements, and that is why the two sets will be called equal sets. Got it? Now, dear students, please note that a set will not change if one or more elements of set are repeated. For example, if I take a set C as A, E, I, O, U, and another set D as I, E, A, U, O, I. Now you can see in set D, the element I is repeated, but each element of this set C is there in set D, and each element of set D is there in set C. And that is why set C and D, these two sets will be called equal sets. Got the idea? And you can see even if the elements are repeated, the set is not changed. And this is the reason we do not repeat elements in describing a set. Got the idea? Now I'll take another example here. Consider two sets X and Y. Consider two sets X and Y. Set X is equal to set of letters forming word listen. The word is listen. Another set Y is equal to set of letters forming word silent. Now, if I write X in roster form, I will write this as L, I, S, T, E, N. The cardinality of this set is 6. Now, set Y I can write as S, I, L, E, N, T. Here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are this. So cardinality of this set Y is 6. Now, if you check all the elements of these two sets X and Y, you can find L is there in the set X, L is there in the set Y, I is there in the set X, I is here in set Y, S is there in the set X, S is here, T is there in the set X, T is here in Y, E is there in the set, here also E, N is here, and you can see in set Y also. So each element of this set X is in set Y, and each element of set Y is in set X. That is why the two sets will be considered as equal sets. Now I'll take another example here. Consider two sets P and Q. Set P. Set P is all values of X such that X is an integral positive root of the equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now set Q. Set Q is for all values of X such that X minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now if I take this set P and we will try to find the roots of the given equation, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So I can write this as x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. I can take x as common, it becomes x minus 5 here plus 2. Here x minus 5 is equal to 0. I'll take x minus 5 common here. It becomes x plus 2 now equal to 0. Now either x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2. Now you can see in the set it is written x is integral positive root of the equation. So we will not consider this minus 2. So x is 5. So P is what? P is nothing but this. Okay. Now if I consider this set Q is what? X minus 5 is equal to 0. So what is x? X is 5. So Q is equal to 5. You can see both sets have same number of elements, 1 and 1. And both have 5. And that is why P and Q, these two sets will be considered as equal sets. Got it? This way we define the equality of sets. Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive test, and mock test, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching the video. To stay up to date with the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.